Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crown K here, and I'm back with another video. I'm about to do a wig install for you guys, also a wig review. This video is in partnership with UNice Hair, well, UNice, however you pronounce it. They sent me some free gifts as per usual. I really like that about them. You always get like free gifts with your hair. So I got some lashes, some nail art, a headscarf, and some wig caps. And you know you can never have enough wig caps, guys. So the hair that I'll be reviewing today is this honey bob. It's this honey straight bob wig, and it's a 13x4 frontal. Yes, a frontal. We have not done frontals in a hot minute. Like, yes, honey, finally a frontal again. And it's 14 inches, 150% density. It has combs on the inside, 3 combs, as well as adjustable straps, like the typical wig like construction. So this is what it looks like. I'm just trying the wig on just to see how it fits my head, as well as what I need to trim, etc, etc. Straight out of the package, guys, I really liked the color of this wig. The lace, though, it's not that much lace. Like, usually I feel like you get a lot more lace to work with, but since like the shortage on like lace, I don't feel like they gave like a lot of lace with this unit, but I did make it work. I had a little bit of trouble with the ear part, like where you have your ear. I feel like the wig didn't like cover all the way, but I still made it work. I'm just like wiping my forehead with some alcohol just to take the makeup off and any dirt and any residue so that it sticks, because we'll not be gluing this wig down. I'll just be using the olive oil or S spray just to hold it down. So I'm just like cleaning off those areas so you don't have that residue. And don't mind like the cap that you see like through the wig, guys, because I'll just be adding makeup over that. I did not do a ball cap method at all because I was not going to keep this wig on. So I just did my usual like little spray method that holds it. And when I use this method, I keep my wig on for the day, and then I just reapply it. I really rather reapplying my hair every morning versus like, keeping it on. I don't really like sleeping in my wigs, but if I glue my hair down, I'm definitely keeping it on because I don't want to lose my hair, so I'll definitely like keep it on. But yeah, guys, so I'm just cutting off that like lace, and as I was saying, it's not a lot of like extra lace. Like, usually the wigs come with a lot of extra lace, but I feel like because of the shortage on lace, they're not really giving you like that extra, so you don't have like a lot of lace to like cut. So I'm just using some Nairobi wrapping foam. Yes, and I'm just combing the hair just like out of the way because I had a lot of flyaways. I did not go in and pluck this unit. I was assuming that it was pre-plucked. Well, it looked as if it was pre-plucked to me, and I kind of just went in after applying the wig. I went in and I did a little like bit of work to the hairline, but I'm using my hot comb and I'm barely going because every time I use this hot comb I burn myself. So I'm taking my time and I'm just like straightening the hair and bringing all like the flyaways back so I can spray my hair down, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to use the ORS spray as I showed you just now, and I'm just going to spray that along my forehead, use my blow dryer on cool. No, I use my blow dryer on cool at first, and then once I lay the lace on there, I use it on warm, and I realize when I do that, it dries faster or not. Or I'm not even sure if it was on cool, but guys, I be moving in between cool and warm, but I started off using cool, and then I laid the lace, and then I tried warm, but when I put it back on cool, the lace sticked quicker. But after getting the lace to like stick, guys, you can go back in and spray the spray on the actual lace and then use it on warm. That'll let the lace like melt into your skin completely. I always do that. I stick my unit down and then I go back with the spray over the lace again, and it sticks it down like really nice. And when you have it on warm, the heat just melts that lace directly into your skin. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I really hope that was not confusing. I really don't explain these things so well all the time, but I hope you guys get what I was doing. And guys, if you're like midway into this video, I really hope you just go down below this video, hit the subscribe button, and turn your post notifications on so you never miss any video that I do upload, and then you'll become a part of the family. So I really hope you just like hit subscribe to the channel and be a part of the family. And please like this video, please comment down below. I feel like I have to say comment, like, and subscribe every time because you guys, I feel like you don't hear it, you don't remember that you need to. So please comment down below. Comment, like, subscribe, share, and follow me on all my socials, on Instagram, on Snapchat. It'll all be in the description box. And guys, I'm going in with the Got to Be gel, and I'm just using that to make some edges, well, a little, like, you know, a little swoop. So I did not pluck the hair much. I only plucked a bit when I took the baby hairs out. The lace, I don't know why I didn't pluck it before I put it on, but it ended up working out. So I just pulled the baby hairs out and then I just plucked right in that area. But the lace is not like bad. It's not bad. It's pre-plucked in a sense, but you can pluck it more. Better yet, I think that's what I should say. So I did the same thing to the other side, and then I'm just like tying that down with my rapid styling strip, and then I'll add makeup. I added my makeup to the part so it would like camouflage everything and have everything like blend together. And then I went in with a flat iron, guys, and honestly, when I did it the first time, the hair was, some of it was sticking on the flat iron. I don't know if my flat irons were too hot, but I noticed that, and I don't know why the hair did that. But besides that, guys, when I turned it down, everything was fine afterwards. The hair is beautiful though. The color is amazing. I have to give them that. The way how they did this color is really amazing. Everything just blends so seamlessly. It doesn't look weird, like the highlights and everything just like flows together. So I have to give them credit for that. But I don't know what was happening when my flat iron like was really hot. So yeah, guys, if you have this unit or if you get this unit, don't have your flat iron on maybe like too high of a heat. I don't know. But besides that, the hair ended up looking really cute and I like it. All the information for this hair, guys, will be down in the description box down below. So if you're interested, you can definitely like check it out. Oh, and I must say, guys, I did experience a bit of shedding with this hair. I'm not sure if it's because of all the like the highlights and all the extra bleaching that they had to do to achieve this color, but I did experience shedding with this hair, just so you know. But all the information will be down in the description box. If you like this video, be sure to like give me a thumbs up, be sure to comment, and be sure to subscribe. At the end though, guys, this looked really bomb. I loved how the hair looked on me. I love the color. You know, blondes are my thing, and highlight wigs always just like look really nice. So yeah, guys, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. I love you guys oh so much. Bye.